everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So lots of new goodies so far 2018. One of them is a brand from Australia called Motley. It's a hair care line. They sent me products to try a little while back and I love them so much that I had to get them for all of you guys. Anyway, there are three different products. One is called the treatment cleansing oil, the other is called the treatment styling balm, and then they have another one called Chrome. So the treatment cleansing oil is basically a replacement for a shampoo conditioner. It's for people who don't like to use shampoos for whatever reason. Some people just don't like the way shampoos make their hair feel, or they might even have really dry hair and they find that shampoos just make them even more dry. This is intended to sort of cleanse or purify the hair as well as condition it without stripping the hair with the scalp of its natural moisture. So it does that with what are called jojoba esters, and jojoba esters very closely mimic the natural oil that your scalp produces. And so it basically helps to emulsify excess oil on the scalp without drying it out, and then also remove dirt really nicely and gently, so it leaves your hair feeling clean with a nice weightless texture to it. So that's product number one. And then their treatment styling balm was their first product that they came out with. So it's a firm hold matte finish product. It's a really smooth sort of cream-like texture. The texture of these products is great. They smell great too. And then product number two is sort of a variation or an alteration, as they call it, of the original product. It's called Chrome. So this one is also firm hold, but a little bit of shine. So if you put in just a small amount, it gives you like a really natural shine, and then the more and more you put it in, the shinier it gets. Both of these products have really nice pliable hold, but still really nice and firm. I actually have both of these in my hair right now, but that's a long story why. I don't need to do that, but I have both of them in my hair right now. So the one that I put in more recently was the Chrome. So this is an idea with just a tiny bit of Chrome. This is what your hair might look like if your hair is like mine. Anyway, so yeah, top-notch products. I highly recommend them. They are worth the price in my opinion. Motley, check them out, shopmasc.com, and of course, come see them in the shop if you're in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.